हो गया तो बोलना। एक मिनट।
मेरे भाई अनिल भाई
थैंक यू।
पर कितना है भाई?
सर 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 पीछे भी ध्यान दो। थोड़ा पीछे योर राइट जूम योर राइट थोड़ा करीना राइट साइड योर राइट 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 वेट मैम योर राइट मैम योर राइट मैम योर राइट साइड मैम वेट वेट
थैंक यू।
वेट 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 प्लीज प्लीज आपने वहाँ पे ही जाना।
आप जाओ ना। थैंक यू सो टेक्नोलॉजी ओवरऑल प्राइस
बनी थी जा बाबा तू जा एक चैनल डे लाइट लेते ना।
You want to finish or you want to do this first?
नहीं लाइट जाएगा फिर यहाँ पे फर्स्ट
लाइट जाएगा? कम
ना बे बाहर निकले करना फिर अभी तक शुरू है। किस साइड आ जाएगा?
कम They are all mine. That means only my order. Come. I'm gonna have it now. Come. Not us. Come. Come, wait for me. Just let me.
आगे जाके सबके फ्रेम में आगे जाके
Come. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
समोर बघा खालची
खाली.
बैठ ना रे।
I'm too inspired.
पीछे करना बिना
They're like few.
क्यों उठा रहे तू पीछे वालों को नहीं मिलेगा रे
वो सोचने
लो कर लेना कैमरा उठाना थोड़ा सा अरे पीछे वाले ना मेरे
Okay, guys. अंदर चल रहे हो। जो मेरी पिज्जा बनाया था वो रेडी हो चुका
इधर भी जल्दी हो
है।
मैम यहाँ पे मैडम यहाँ पे
पहले चेक कर लो यार।
अरे दादा
अरे भाई हट रहे।
Not bad for first time. Not bad for first time.
wow is this what you eat bravo
कुछ नहीं करना होगा। बैठ जाओ
Alright, so it's not just the pizzas that we'll be serving, we'll also be serving you some more starters or Finger food. and
Finger
all
food
that.
we are going to serve now. And it's coming.
As you said, last Utna Shagun.
Shagun, shagun. Good. Ka.
So we had our chef talking about what
The
this
fine
is.
dining,
Yeah, fine dining
yes.
experience.
Fine dining depends on kind of ingredients we are using in the restaurant and the kind of people, kind of service you are giving. And very fine dining, a very good quality of service when you are serving to the people. That's what we call fine dining. And of course, yes, I have used for this restaurant the most imported ingredients to make sure that we have something different serving in the restaurant.
What are the things that you look out for?
I think for me the most important thing is ambience. It has to make me feel good the moment I get in. You know, sometimes you enter a place and you don't really feel it, you don't order food. For me, the ambience is so important. I'm also seeing this place for the first time today with you, and I'm so proud of him. I swear to God, I can't believe that, he literally has this whole floor to himself, and, he's gonna have so many people here coming, eating, chilling. This is what we do at home. Our whole family sits together and we just like talk loudly and laugh like mad, and we're eating. So, I can totally see that, he's kind of brought that culture here, which is amazing. I think that's
why this is a soundproof room.
yeah. So I think it's just so cool. I'm loving the interiors. I'm loving everything. I'm just loving the vibe. So I know that when I come in here, I'll feel like ordering a drink or I'll feel like ordering something to eat. So I think it's a really cool thing. So I'm happy. I'm happy for him.
Long nights with one drink, and then we go to another, and then there'll be a lot of food and lots of pizzas, and it goes on.
Yeah, and music. You want to talk about the music? What
Yes,
kind of music
we want to
there
know
is?
about the music.
Very important.
So we have different nights on every day of the week, right?
Yes, we have different theme nights that we are doing. We have our, so we've implemented a few of them already, and we'll be making out our monthly calendar, which will go out soon, which will have our plan for the whole month. So we've started our karaoke nights, we've started our events that we do. We just recently had our first Harvest Festival, which was we combined Lori, Makar Sankranti and Pongal. So it was a great success. So we had it at the cafe. And we have our Sunday brunches every Sunday, and we have different local bands playing here, and people have enjoyed themselves. They come here, brunches are on from noon to 4, and they
There's
really
something happening from
they
afternoon to
really
evening.
enjoy themselves. Yeah. So it's started up, and it's been a great run so far. And we're
This
looking
is the
to
new
take it
addition to the Mugshot Lounge
Yes.
and Cafe, right?
Yes.
This is the new place that we're looking at.
Yes, we've done some work towards our lounge format. We've changed the format entirely now, and with Chef Miraj coming on board, it's made a great difference as well. And that side, we have turned it into our cafe because people love an outdoor sitting, and an outdoor sitting is best for a cafe atmosphere. That most of our Punaites, they love that sort of they're all outdoorsy people.
So also in terms
पिज़्ज़ा बनाया ये मेरे इतना टैलेंट है गॉड कैसे हिडन टैलेंट में है
why is it taste
show
different?
pizza to the camera once ये मैंने नहीं खाए ये जो 3 स्लाइसेस ये खा
ये बनाया आपने है
शेफ मेरे साथ थे वो जो कर रहे थे मैं उनको कॉपी कर रही थी आई स्वेयर मुझे खाना पकाना नहीं आता ये लोग जीनियसेस हैं सिड ने तो एक बार मतलब मुझे बाय द वे दे आर बोथ दिस इज सिद्धार्थ इसने मुझे एक बार पूरा डब्बा ब्राउनीज का खिलाया हुआ है सो दैट इज द कल्चर वी हैव इन आवर फैमिली एंड आवर फ्रेंड्स दैट्स हाउ वी ईट सो आई मीन कुकिंग वाज never like in my department I would never go to the kitchen but I'm feeling good
but you were enjoying making the pizza
In the family, actually,
No.
in the family, it's actually most of the men that make the food, and the women eat the food. So that's the Chopra
Family to
tradition.
be in, right? It's like a dream family for every woman to get married into.
yeah ideal family so yeah and now I mean anyway it was fun cooking thank you so much
तो शेफ टेस्ट करके बताएंगे कि कितना अच्छा बनाया आपने
All the best.
It's
It's amazing, huh?
टेस्ट करके
How
बताओगे कि out of 10
because when I was talking about the thin crust pizza, so this is how it has to be. Like when you're holding, it should not be bent. So this is what
I knew it, Penny. It's really good. All the chefs, the certified chefs of our family, 1, 2, and now.
Your brother has had that pizza and he loves it. So that kind of just
All the
got
best.
she is a good cook.
I'm happy, yeah, I'm happy. I mean, I remember during Dawat, you all used to ask me if I cook and all, and I seriously don't cook. This is the first thing I've ever made, seriously. So I would only do it when he's around.
Lovely. So on that note, now we kind of just break up for our food tasting. We just see what we have in store for everyone. We've got the yummy pizzas. We've also got some finger foods.
Guys, thank you for coming. See you soon. Eat well. See you soon. Thanks. Thanks for participating. This is champagne. What is this? This is also champagne. This is also champagne.
Wait. Ma'am, sit. बस. पीछे से clear Start from right.
या स्ट्रेट लो गया
Ma'am, you're right here.
मैडम सामने मैडम सामने
Thank you.
Ma'am,
Thank
solo.
you. Thank you.
मैडम सोलो एक थोड़ा पीछे से क्लियर थोड़ा पीछे से
Look your right, ma'am.
मैडम सामने मैडम स्ट्रेट मैडम सामने एक ग्लास
Ma'am, your ma'am.
Thank you so much, guys. Happy eating.
थैंक यू
चलो back up. Photo मिल करूँगा.
Where do I have to look?
To the camera.
There are two cameras.
I mean,
Okay?
yeah.
Center.
So the family business has taken it on. So what you want to say first of all, for anything what you want to say about the event?
I just want to say that there is no prouder sister than me today, because for me, Gucci was always my little baby, and he's grown up, he's running a business, he's running not one but two businesses now. So I feel so happy. I just hope that it does very well, and I'm always there to eat, not to support.
Well, I'm really happy with the extension to the Mugshot Cafe that we have made, and I hope that we are able to cater to all the people of Pune, the expats, the universities, as well as the IT crowd, and I hope to make this a rocking success.
How did this idea struck you exactly? Means you want to just open this cafe for the people?
Actually, Mugshot was a name I selected with a group of friends of mine, and the original concept was the lounge, but at the same time, a lounge is a concept done fitting mostly for the evening time, and considering the price sensitivity of Pune, I wanted to give them something that is in the budget, and at the same time it's an all-day dining, so they can get choice meals in the morning, afternoon, evening for a great value for money, and that is the concept behind the Mugshot Cafe.
So any tip from Parinidhi or Priyanka Chopra?
Hard work makes you a successful person. That's what
Only
I've
thing.
learned from both of them.
Is it right?
It's of course right. There's just no substitute to this. He needs to work very hard. He's got a great place, a great location in a great city. He's got the best chefs supporting him, but he needs to work hard and get the people in. And I'm sure, I'm not even worried actually, they're going to love it. I mean, I've been here since afternoon and I feel like partying now. I really do. So I'm very excited. And if I am, then I guess the people can. But he still needs to work hard. Welcome much.
Thank you so much. 2015 is around the corner, so this has started with it has started 2015.
2015
One second, no,
को
no.
1.5 महीना हो चुका है.
It has started with a bang. So any upcoming further projects for you in the film as well?
What do you mean it started with a bang? For me?
No, for the family.
Alright, like that. Okay. Actually, I don't have the permission to announce my film yet. I have decided, and I will shoot this year, but I'm not allowed to announce it yet. So I will soon.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.